The meditation process is a profound and transformative journey that has the potential to lead you to the depths of your own consciousness. In this episode, which is episode 4, we will explore the various stages of meditation and what all you can go through during a meditative. When you're sitting for meditation, there are a lot of times when you feel disturbed, and a lot of people turn around and ask me that, what should I feel during a meditation when I'm sitting for meditation? Well, let me provide you with some comprehensive guidance to navigate the intricate landscapes of your mind and your spirit. Meditation is a practice that can unlock the door for self discovery, inner peace, and profound personal growth and inner depth work. As you embark on this meditative journey, the first crucial step is to find your focus. The initial stage involves anchoring your awareness firmly in the present moment. You can achieve this by concentrating on various objects of attention, such as it could be your breath, a specific mantra, a flickering candle flame, or even mental imagination which resonates with your personality. By focusing your attention, you can create a very stable foundation for your meditative practice. Your choice of focus is a very personal one, and it can evolve over time as you deepen your practice. Thoughts are akin to clouds drifting across the vast expanse of your sky within your mind. They will inevitably arise during meditation. So stop resisting those thoughts during meditation. This is entirely normal. And when they do, it is imperative for you not to judge them or attempt to forcefully push them away. Instead, strive to cultivate the art of observation without any attachment. Allow these thoughts to come and go, just like leaves floating serenely on a gentle stream. This practice cultivates mindfulness and detachment from ceaseless mental chatter, thus allowing you to connect with a deeper aspect of yourself. It is quite an observation that you can gain through the power of that constant noise in your mind. And once you transcend it, and you can actually connect with your inner essence. During the course of your meditation, you may also notice profound stillness or silence in between of your thoughts. These moments offer you a glimpse of who you really are, the serene, the unchanging core of your being. These moments are moments of small awakenings, and you should embrace them fully, for they offer you a taste of inner peace, clarity that resists and resides within you. These moments of stillness are like touching the surface of a deep, tranquil lake, revealing the undisturbed serenity beneath it. Distractions, both external and internal, are an inevitable part of meditation. They can manifest as noises from your surrounding or restlessness within. When distractions occur, take a look at it and see why they are occurring. Is there a reason why this distraction or this restlessness is happening within you right now? It is vital for you to acknowledge them without judgment, without frustration, and with great compassion. Slowly guide your focus back to your chosen point of attention. This process is not a sign of failure, but it's an opportunity for you to strengthen your ability to maintain your concentration. Over time, you will find that you become more adaptive towards refocusing, and even though the distractions are less, it will be less disruptive. Next is emotions. All of these emotions will start surfacing during meditation. There were times when I even fell asleep during meditation, and that's perfectly normal and okay. So if you fall asleep during meditation, if your body is moving forward or backward, just do not control. It's okay for your body movement to happen. So also your emotional movement to happen. It's a natural and crucial part of this entire journey. Allow yourself to experience these emotions without any judgment, without thinking, why do I have these thoughts? Or even self sabotaging thoughts of, literally battering yourself. Emotions act as messengers from your inner world, carrying valuable insights and opportunities for healing. So, by embracing these emotions and acknowledging them during meditation, you can actually gain a very deep understanding of yourself and hence, cultivate an emotional well-being in this journey. It's a journey. In this journey, you'll begin to recognize patterns and triggers of certain emotions, which can be immensely empowering for your growth and for your journey ahead. So, as you advance in your practice, and you may notice a sense of calmness, a sense of clarity that becomes increasingly accessible. This is the heart of the meditation journey. Over time, you will gradually unveil the peacefulness, the wisdom that resides within you, and even possibly through the decades of time that you would have traversed as a soul. Trust this journey and recognize each moment of meditation contributes to your personal growth and transformation. The cumulative effect of your meditation practice is like nurturing the small spark into a steady flame. As it grows brighter with time, and consistency is the key. So be consistent in your attention. It will start blooming into a beautiful flower within your mind. In the midst of meditation, you may encounter a sense of timelessness. The boundaries of the past, the present, and the future will begin to dissolve, leaving only the eternal now. This profound awareness can evoke a deep sense of contentment and freedom, allowing you to connect with your infinite potential of the present moment. This timeless state is where you can transcend the constraints of ordinary time and touch it with the existence of this deep inner essence of life. As your meditation sessions will start drawing to a close, you should take a few moments to express gratitude for the precious time you have dedicated to your inner exploration. Gratitude has the power to amplify the benefits of your practice and also helps you to recognize your transformative journey and your transformative potential during your meditation. Gratitude for it deepens your connection with yourself and builds up your confidence within you. Slowly and gently transition back every day to your awareness, carrying that this peace that resides within you, that you have gained within you in your inner world, is a transition from this inner state to the outer reality. And it's like a gentle return of your ordinary state of consciousness, but now infused with the wisdom of inner power. So, thank you for joining me in this episode of the meditation process or journey. It's essential to remember that meditation is a journey and not a destination. Every moment of practice is a step towards greater self awareness and inner peace. So, may your journey continue to enrich your life, leading you to a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. And through your continued commitment to this transformative practice, you can unlock the profound potential that lies within you. It is my sincere hope that you find your solace, your clarity, and your wisdom in this powerful journey. Your journey is unique and personal, and it is also connected to this vast inner source of true self discovery. So, as you embrace your meditative journey and experience the timelessness through these practices, so all the best, and let's go to the fifth segment soon.